Good data starts with a clear plan. A measurement plan tells everyone what to capture, how and when. It prevents confusion and rework. It also speeds up analysis later. In this lecture, we focus on operational definitions and check sheets. These tools ensure consistency across people and time. With them, you can trust your charts and your conclusions. Clear rules turn opinions into facts, which is the goal of measurement. An operational definition is a precise rule for what counts and how to measure it. It removes guesswork. It defines the item, the criteria, the method, and any exclusions. It states who measures, where, and in what units. It includes examples to reduce misinterpretation. The result is repeatable measurement. Different people using the rule should get the same answer. That is the test of a good definition. Use simple testable criteria. Examples help make it concrete. Consider these rules. A delivery is on time if it arrives by the promised date, 5 p.m. local time. A scratch defect counts if length is greater than 2 millimeters, measured with a gauge. A call is abandoned if the caller disconnects after 30 seconds without speaking to an agent. A rework event counts if any step is repeated after inspection for the same unit. Critical to quality, or CTQ, is a customer requirement you must meet. Choose one CTQ and convert it into measurable attributes. For this build, we use on-time delivery. Customers care about promises kept. We will capture each order, its promised date, its delivery date, and whether it was on time. We also capture delay reasons. That feeds root cause analysis later. The CTQ guides the entire design. A check sheet is a simple structured form for data capture. Build it to match your CTQ. Include fields that support both counting and analysis. Consider these fields. Date and shift for time patterns. Order or case ID for traceability. Promise date and delivery date for timeliness. On time, yes or no for the outcome. Delay hours, numeric for severity. Reason code for cost patterns. Collector initials for accountability. Attach clear rules to the form. Place them at the top or as a one-page guide. Include scope, method, and exclusions. Use rules like these. Count an order as on time if delivered by the promised date, 5 p.m. local time. If delivered after 5 p.m., mark late and record delay hours. For partial deliveries, use final delivery time unless the contract states otherwise. Exclude customer hold requests if documented. Record only primary delay reason based on first occurrence. Pilot before full rollout. A small test reveals confusion early. Use these steps. Train 2 people on the rules and collect on 5 to 10 cases. Compare entries for agreement on each field. Ask what was unclear during use. Time the data entry per case. Check whether all real scenarios are covered by reason codes. Set a target of at least 90% agreement before launch. Use pilot feedback to refine the form and rules. Make changes small and test again. Improvements often include these. Add examples for tricky cases such as time zone deliveries. Clarify exclusions with specific phrases from contracts. Rename reason codes to be mutually exclusive and clear. Add a not applicable option only where necessary. Reorder fields to match the workflow. Reduce handwriting by adding checkboxes and drop-downs. Protect data quality from day one. Simple controls prevent drift. Use the following practices. Provide a one-page quick guide with examples. Audit a random sample daily for the first week. Review percent agreement across collectors weekly. Lock definitions for the collection period to avoid shifting. If a change is essential, version the form and note the date. Store completed forms centrally with dates and versions. Design the form to answer your next questions. Map each field to a planned chart. Examples include the following. On-time yes or no enables a proportion chart and a baseline. Delay hours support histograms and capability estimates. Reason codes feed a Pareto chart for top causes. Date and shift enable run charts to see trends. Collector initials reveal training needs. if errors cluster. Clean inputs now make the analysis phase faster and clearer. Operational definitions turn vague ideas into consistent data. A check sheet captures that data simply and reliably. Pilot the form, find disagreements, and fix the rules. Keep the form aligned to the CTQ and the analysis you plan. Protect data quality with quick guides and audits. When your plan is clear, every chart becomes credible. With credible data, your improvement decisions become confident and effective.